Portable Unit Tub Assembly, Crowding Tub Model. This video is intended to be a supplement to the assembly manual provided with your product. Please be sure to read your assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The parts are very heavy. To assemble this product, you will need a forklift, 2 people, a 9/16 wrench, 1 1/16 wrench, 1 1/18 wrench. For clarity purposes, the panels are labeled as follows: Panel 1, Panel 2, These instructions only apply to the initial assembly of your product after shipping from the factory. For details regarding transportation, maintenance, and other product-related items, please reference your product manual.